Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Chrysler 300 Series. 2014 Chrysler 300C John Varvatos Luxury, where power meets sophistication. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 5-speed shiftable O transmission. This Chrysler has less than 133,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Experience the 2014 Chrysler 300C John Varvatos Luxury, where style meets power. Its granite crystal metallic exterior turns heads instantly, while the dark mocha/black leather interior wraps you in premium comfort. Under the hood, a HEMI 5.7L V8 delivers 363 horsepower and 394 lb-ft of torque, giving you effortless acceleration and undeniable presence on the road. Enjoy factory luxuries like a premium sound system, smart touchscreen navigation, and advanced safety features including a rear-view camera and multiple airbags. With 15 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway, it balances muscle with practicality. This 300C is in excellent condition and comes with a clean Carfax. Ready to elevate your drive? Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.